So I'm sitting here at the airport. And I got stopped at the checkpoint for my Liffruma and my crystals. It's too funny. So I thought while I'm sitting here waiting, I'm going to pull a Liffruma card. Let's see what we get. Hold on. Oh, we got Oz, Godmouth. Sounds found deep in reverie. I can't read this. To rise up is to speak up, to give song to ancestral codes of healing, nestled in all our vessels. Reach forward and commune. I like to shuffle, but I don't have nothing to hold my phone. Alright, now I'm going to shuffle. It's really, a storm just passed by. It's really humid here. It's really hot. Alright, Liffruma, what do you got to say? Wow, we got new. Was, sap, and passion. When a tree weeps or bleeds, it is in joy that it is alive and still growing. And then we got Nide. Fear. Water metals on the bottom. Ignite. So what I'm feeling, Spirit wants you to come out of fear, stay grounded, and begin a new song, new journey. That's what I feel with these three. And the first one I pulled. And ignite. Wow. thorn, porthole, giant, a gateway. Gateway's opening. So, how's everybody doing? This is so strange for me to be here doing a video outside. Oh, I don't like that. Moon, recognize. And night. Don't let the inner troll control that fear that we had in the other few cards. And refuse to home the broken song. So whatever illusion that you are feeling, I don't know if you can hear me, but whatever illusion you're seeing, don't let fear stop you from taking them steps towards the new songs, the new phase, the new cycle, whatever you want to call it. All right, Liffruma, not on the ground. Being unbound on the bottom. Being unbound. The new sound. See the new sound of unbinding yourself from the fears that hold you back. Wow. And again, water metal again. Ignite. I know it's humid here and my hair is frizzy. Ing. Again, water metal. I'm sweating. Whew. Freya's fertility. Sunshine saturates the sacral. I'll get back to that water metal. We got Bitfrost, Hammer Farrell, Journey Home. See? Journey Home. So what I think it's asking is that you step out of the shadows for a little while. Look at my hair, it's so frizzy. I did have something here to wipe off with, but step out of the shadows, let go. Don't let the trolls tell you you're not good enough or whatever. It's just not. So yeah, that's the message. You're just a few steps away from closing out the cycle. Just don't let fear talk you into staying in where you are, in your comfort. Gut and resolve. It's only something that you can do for yourself. Myself, humankind, man, crazy, right? right, well, that's my little message at the airport from Liffruma. And I'll try to upload this when I get to my daughter's house. See you guys in a little bit. Bye.